Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Makita BL1850 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion 5.0 ampere-hour battery. That's cool. It provides up to 65% more runtime per charger compared to the 18-volt 3.0 ampere-hour batteries. This will be the BL1830. Compatible only with star protection tools, indicated by the star symbol and or yellow battery receiver under the tool, as you can see in that video here. It reached a full charge in only 45 minutes or less on the Makita Rapid Optimus charger, which is sold separately, of course. The battery delivers constant power and runtime in extreme temperatures, even in winter. 4 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, no prob. Impact-resistant outer case and shock-absorbing inner liners are engineered to protect the battery. Awesome. The Makita lithium-ion battery charges faster and works longer than standard lithium-ion batteries, giving us and our cordless tools unmatched performance and productivity to take on the most demanding applications. The Makita 5 ampere-hour battery has a category-leading charge time of only 45 minutes, so it spent more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The 18-volt LXT 5 ampere battery is compatible only with star protection. Okay, tools. You have to cook. You have to look. That indicates by the star symbol and or the yellow battery receiver under the tool. One of these two things happens, it will matches. Okay. Yeah. The Makita 18-volt lithium battery resists self-discharge, so they're ready for use even after long periods of storage. The Makita Rapid Optimus charger is a smart charging system that communicates with the battery itself during the charging process to monitor current, voltage and temperature. This advanced charging technology helps optimize the battery life and delivers a faster charge. In addition, the charger has a built-in fan to cool the battery for faster and more efficient charging power, even in hot weather conditions. 4. Improved tool performance and extended battery life. Makita created star protection computer controls. Star protection is communicate technology that allows the tool and the battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging and overheating. Makita, the innovation leader in cordless tool technology, has the world's largest cordless tool lineup powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion style battery. And this is a good additional thing for my Makita family at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.